And depending on how you do it will depend on how he looks. A little bit of color, so let's get a little pink for his, this is just Cosmos, is the name of the color, but any kind of a light pink will do, a little bit in the ears. Hello, let's get a little pink in there. Okay, there we go. So he's not so bland. A little bit on the cheeks. Why not?
I'm guessing girl cat? I don't
Yes,
know.
this is a girl cat. It's going to be wearing a bow, even though a boy cat could wear a bow if it's a Christmas present, but this is a girl cat.
They won't be happy about it.
No. And a little tiny bit of, we could do pink for the tongue or red for the tongue, whatever.
He has a tongue?
Yeah, well, his mouth
Okay.
down here.
Does he have whiskers?
Well, he has dots, so no whiskers that come out.
That's why.
If you feel like,
Yeah.
if you feel the urge to stick spaghetti in for whiskers, you know, feel free. I didn't want to do that.
All right.
My cat, so I'm not doing it. But you can. I have brown, and the brown is for, I'm doing a stripy cat. Now, obviously, if you own a cat, feel free to, mimic your cat. But mine is just going to be a
Generic cat.
he's just going to have
From Cats R Us.
So I'm just going to dust a little bit. Again, you can use the pens if you want to use the pens. And then last but not least, I'm going to actually
Kind of.
do
What kind of brown is that?
some fur. This is actually brown.
Excellent. Oh, clever. Very good. Very specific.
Okay, so a little bit of texture here for his fur. Okay.
Hard to see on camera, but it's really
Yeah, you can.
good.
Yeah, it's hard to see.
It looks
It's.
great. The
I'm
texture
just.
is worth it. It's
I'm
worth,
just.
it's
Yeah,
worth doing.
I'm trying to do it where the brown is so you could see it.
Yeah.
And then you just all over him. Just do little cuts like it's fur.
Little
Okay.
cuts for the cat.
Yeah, little cuts. So there's his
Okay.
mouth, and then we need to get that in there. Let's get that. So he's got to. I'll get that better. You get the general idea.
Yep.
Okay, and then the body, I pretty much do the same thing for the body. And I'm actually not going to finish the body. I'm going to, and the tail. I'm not going to fit because I have them already done up. Hopefully they will fit. But I'm going to show you how I do it. What I did with the body, again, you can use Brownie. I have a styrofoam egg shape. Okay, and what I did is, because, he's got kind of a good sized body in here. So this is, what size? Oops. This is a 2 1/4 inch egg. It's just styrofoam.
Styrofoam egg.
Yeah. And basically what you do is you cover it with shortening or something sticky so that the fondant will stick to it. Otherwise you will have issues. You can use frosting, but boy, what a mess. I just use shortening. And what you're going to do is you're going to plop this in, and then you're going to start molding with your hand around.
How thick do you want that?
As big as you want your body.
Okay.
So this is, this was originally probably only about 1/4 cup of fondant. This is, I didn't want solid fondant. I just didn't want this giant chunk of fondant, so that's why I have the egg. And again, you can do that with the cat too, with the cat itself. And the egg is a good shape because it's thicker at the bottom and skinnier at the top. And see, I can just, and then smooth it with your hand. Not that you have to have it smooth, because guess what? Now I'm going to take it. I know I've got chocolate in this, but now I'm going to take it and do the markings.
A little texturing there.
A little texturing.
Cat texture.
Cat texture. It's just fur. I don't know. Can you see that?
Yeah.
Okay.
Is that called a knife tool?
Yeah, it's just a knife tool. You can use a toothpick. Toothpick works. But I use a knife tool for everything. Okay, and then that's going to go in here. Now, basically what I do with that is I sit it in here. So we're going to use the skewer. So you basically use the skewer, and you can put it down all the way in through your brownie, and then the head's going to go on top of that. So I'm going to...
So that goes through the egg
into the bottom.
into the brownie.
Into the brownie, and then it will also hold the head on. Okay, hold the top when you cut that. And then into the cat. I know his body's small, it's okay. Okay, then what's left is to do his paws. Okay, right now I'm gonna switch over.
Right now he's armless.
I know. I'm gonna switch over to my other cat because I like his face better.
Oh, this is one that you previously did.
Yeah, this one I previously did. So I'm switching over to my other cat.